Hey guys, Blair with HVAC and Appliance Rebuilders. Just wanted to show you some of the things that we see out in the field. Look at this thing. Somebody installed this unit. They ran that gas line through a metal stand and they decided to take some tape around it and say, oh, well, that's going to prevent the gas from leaking if it rubs. Not right, not okay. Get your maintenance done, have a professional check out your system. It could prevent you a lot of problems in the future. If this is some sort of value to you, please follow, like, share, subscribe, help me get my content out there. I appreciate it.